Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner and I'm here to go over your first assignment of our course together, which is your About You assignment. So there in the Week 1 folder under Activity 1 and 2, you can see that we have a Directions PDF, a Rubric PDF, a set of Google Slides, a video that goes over how to use the screen recorder on Schoology, and then our discussion post that says Introduction Video. So let's talk a little bit about the directions. What you're going to be doing is creating a video, much like I do. You're going to be clicking on the discussion in order to record your video. You're going to click on the microphone button and allow Schoology to use your webcam and audio. You're going to make sure that you have also clicked on Secure in the URL line and allow Flash, microphone, and videos. So you have to enable that the first time that you ever do a recording in order to allow Schoology to access those areas of your computer. And then you're going to answer some questions. So you're going to get a slide set. Every student has their own individual slide set, so you can change the backgrounds, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors. I recommend that you pick something that is easy to read, something that is representative of you, something that is pleasing to the eye. You're going to be telling me who you are, the grade level, the course. You're going to tell me how do you learn best. You're going to tell me 2 truths and a lie about you, so 2 true statements and 1 that is a lie. And I'm going to try and guess them the best that I can, just like you guys did with me in my introduction video. You're going to add images that represent you, so things that you like, maybe even pictures of you, maybe pictures of your animals, pictures of things that you enjoy doing, but things to give me a better idea of what represents you. You're going to tell me, what do you enjoy reading? Please don't tell me that you just hate reading. At least give me something to work with. Maybe you really like reading comic books. Maybe you like listening to podcasts, which is also a form of like audio reading. So give me something that we can talk about as far as the type of reading, so that way I can help you become a better reader this year. What do you like to do in your free time? So this could be anything that you enjoy doing. Please make sure that the things that you include are school appropriate, but also that you are willing to share with the class, because as you can see, you're going to be entering these slides and the discussion post, these slides and the video in a discussion post, which means other students are going to be able to view it. So whatever you put in these slides, please make sure that you are comfortable with people being able to see it. That means all the images, all the things that you share. Don't share those things unless you feel comfortable. How do you feel about school this year? And how can we as a class make this school year great? I know that this has come with a lot of challenges. So far, I know we've been working as a community really hard to overcome those challenges, and I just want to make sure that we keep moving forward in a positive manner. So if there is anything that I, as your instructor, can do to help make this a better school year for you, or things that we can do as a class, I would love to know. So those are the different questions that you are going to answer in the slide set, and you will be attaching that to your discussion post. As far as the grading rubric for the About You project, this is a 15-point project and then a 5-point discussion. So your 15 points are split up between the slides that you will be submitting and your video that you will be submitting in the discussion. We're looking for things that represent your understanding of netiquette, so that you understand who is watching your videos. Are you using polite language? Are you using clear language? Are you showing that you respect our classroom environment? Things of those nature. We are also going to be talking about making an engaging post. So is your video engaging? Do you appear to be interested in what you are sharing with the class? We're talking about clarity. Can I understand you clearly? Can I visually see what you've written on the slides clearly? Like I said, make sure that your slides are visually appealing but also clear. Is the content correct? So did you leave the slides blank and just submit them, or did you actually complete the content and put in, some thought and process into what you created? And then digital construction. Were you able to use technology properly? I'm making sure that you understand how to record using Schoology, how to submit assignments, how to use Google Slides and access those different assignments in different platforms on Schoology. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you with any kind of technology issues or to come up with a new method that might work better for you, such as maybe your microphone is not functioning on your computer. Please contact me. We might be able to work something out. And then your discussion part of this assignment is 5 points. You are going to be viewing other students. So once again, I'm going to remind you, please make sure that your video and slides you are comfortable with sharing with other students, because they are going to need to be able to look at your slides and look at your video and leave a comment in the discussion in order to get the 5 points. And so you will have to do this as well. So make sure that you are comfortable with sharing. Students are going to need to make sure that their discussion post is grammatically correct, that you're showing proper use of etiquette, that you're on topic, and that you are engaged in what the other person shared. Obviously, a student who works hard on submitting this assignment wants to be treated with the same amount of respect as any other student, and so please be aware that maybe you don't have the same interests as other students, but you should still be respectful and engaged in the fact that it matters to them. So that is what I'm looking for in the discussion post. So those are all of the pieces of the About You project that you will be submitting in week 1. So once again, just going over, here is the directions, here's the rubric, here's the slide set, so every student has their own and you can edit it however you'd like. You cannot change the questions, but you can change the backgrounds, the colors, the fonts, and add images. And here's the screen recorder video on how to use the Schoology screen recorder. And then here's the discussion. So if you open this up, students should upload their introduction video and comment on one other student's video. So you would create a comment. You would click this to do your recording. You would attach your slides, whether it's going to be you downloaded it to your computer or if you create a shareable link through Google, either will work. And then you would post. Alrighty guys, so that is everything you need to know about the About You assignment, and I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.